Over the last 18 months, a group of us have been planning, designing, and agreeing to a lot of the great space here at ACCO in Pasadena.
My thoughts on this new office is it's unbelievable. It leaves you speechless.
I still can't take on the whole new office. It's overwhelming walking in this morning. It's just so exciting, and everyone seems to be so excited. I think it's going to be a really fun continuation of our history.
The new office is beautiful. I feel like it actually matches the presence that we have in the community.
This is a world-class building in a really great area.
When people were walking in this morning, I actually saw people tearing up out of excitement.
I think the new office is absolutely awesome.
We're going from an old jalopy to a brand new car, you know. It's just beautiful and it's exciting.
The workspace is really beautiful.
It's definitely the coolest office in terms of like anybody else in the industry, and I feel like we're sort of on par with tech offices, which is really cool.
Me and my group on our tour this morning, we couldn't stop smiling the entire time.
Everyone's finally able to be in the same office, which should really help foster additional collaborative space.
Sixth floor with the view of downtown Pasadena, and it's unbelievable.
The engineering open layout is kind of cool because all the light is coming in through the windows and makes it feel nice and open.
Massive windows everywhere, like everybody has a window seat, and I think that makes a really big difference.
My favorite features would have to be the kind of collaborative workspace centers, the new training room.
The social hub was one of my favorites, just seeing everybody come together for lunch.
The break room is out of this world. I've never seen anything like it. That's probably my favorite place in the building.
I mean, it's the ping pong table. We take that very seriously here.
I think one of my favorite things about the office is our wellness rooms. It's really nice to have a company that's so supportive of new moms.
I think this would be a great uplifting experience for all the employees.
It's a great place to work. It's a dream, really, for those who are seeking a good home that is going to help propel their career.